Meaning of industry.
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 Industry. The term industry refers to a category of businesses that are involved in the production and sale of goods or services. It encompasses a wide range of sectors, including manufacturing, construction, agriculture, finance, technology, and more. These businesses often operate within a competitive market, aiming to increase their profitability through efficient operations and innovative products or services. Industries can be impacted by various factors, such as technological advancements, government policies, and consumer demand. Understanding the dynamics of different industries is important for businesses, investors, and policymakers alike, as they seek to promote economic growth and development.